Hi fam, this is OsoX for osoxvids.com. Today's video is an 8K resolution video. Please ramp up the resolution as high as you can. On today's video we'll have an unboxing, a close-up sizzle reel, a how-to pair, as well as showing you as a collectible in Quantic Films 3.0 Studio, Neon Genesis Evangelion's Rei Ayanami's EVA Unit 00 STUMPE and Evangelion EVA-00 Active Noise Reduction Earbuds with Bluetooth connectivity. I have timestamps in the description below. You can skip to parts like the unboxing, the sizzle reel, the how-to pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, and then next to our EVA unit at the Quantic Films 3.0 Studio being displayed. Let's start with the unboxing here. We took it out of the box. It's really well packaged with bubble wrap. This is the last bubble wrap layer we have. Let's use a handy knife to get it open. Let's tear it down. Let's take it out. And here we see it. Evangelion sound. This is STUMPE sound. It's a silver reflective box. It has a reflective material to it, like metal. And it's out. Now it has a plastic film covering the whole thing. In the back we see the Evangelion logo, STUMPE sound, those stickers in there are genuine. Let's cut the film and let's tear it out. And let's take it out. Now this is the box. It has a magnetic closing mechanism, so it uses magnets. Let's open the first door. Let's open the second door, and now we see a transparent paper with an 80 field on it. And it has some way to get in there. We're gonna have to rip it off. We need to rip it out open like Shinji. Open now, Shinji style. And now we see the capsule. Rei Ayanami's EVA or EVA Unit 00 Capsule, which is also the charging dock for the earbud. Let's rotate this and let's get it open, and then we see the pod that shows the first earbud that has a protective film on it. Now it has a magnetic charging connection. We will keep it in place. It keeps this one in place as well. They won't fall off the capsule itself once they are on the right pod. Left to left, right to right, the magnets will keep it in place. This is the capsule itself, pretty well built, and this is the earbud, which is Bluetooth. Let's take out the protective film on the earbud itself and repair as such. So we have Rei's capsule, we have both earbuds. There must be more in this box because this is a really nice package. It's pretty cool. Respects the anime. Now, Evangelion is a controversial anime for me because I'm a Christian, but I really do like the franchise. They have lots of movies and the original TV series. And here we go. It has a USB-A to USB-C charging cable for the capsule. It also has a bag with different rubber tips for the earbuds, as well as a comprehensive STUMPE manual, which is not in English. We'll put it back in the box. Now let's check some close-ups of the capsule itself. We can see the detail of it. It has orange, gold, and this is on the right side, the USB-C charging connection to charge both earbuds, and now it's in the closed position. The front says EVA-00 Rei Ayanami's Unit 00 from Evangelion. This is the back side of it, closed, and now we have it open, and then we have the left earbud coming out of the capsule, which is charging right now. So what we do is, as soon as we take it out of the capsule, once we touch it, we take it out, it starts into pairing mode. As soon as we take it out, it blinks. That's the moment where you wanna take down the drop down menu on your phone, push the Bluetooth logo and keep pressing on it until you see a list of discoverable devices that are available to be paired with your phone, and then you'll see STUMPE EVA-00. Click on it and then they'll start pairing and you have audio. And this is our EVA unit, and this is our setup at Quantic Films 3.0. Remember, there's no shame in the video game. God bless, and as always, peace, and I'm out.